Hi, my name is Fiona and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to part 1 of the Glow Up Diaries, where I take small actions every single day to glow up financially, physically and mentally. It has been such a long time since I have filmed a YouTube video and I'm very excited to be back because I felt like previously I lost kind of a bit of passion in creating content. I just didn't know what content to create and I was not really confident of the content I was creating as well. A lot has changed in the past year and a half. My Luxu jewelry business, my jewelry business has grown a lot. I also had a job. I quit, but the way I manifested the job was insane, honestly. I'm still in uni, but I'm finishing this year, and I also opened another side hustle, which is an art business, and it's called Design by Evie, but I feel like I'm gonna change the name of it soon. I sell like fan art, also like my own art as well. They're mainly like very cute, like stickers, washi tapes. I didn't know into like drawing and like creating things. Like ever since I got my iPad, I pushed myself to draw. I didn't realize how much I enjoyed like drawing and creating like really cute like little artworks. I found that I love sitting in cafes, having coffee, eating dessert and just like doodling and stuff. It's got the beautiful flowers from my boyfriend for our 2-year anniversary yesterday, and I'll show you bits and pieces of our anniversary. It was very simple celebration. We just had Korean barbecue. And I don't have a vase for the flowers, so I actually went to the op shop to get this huge jar. It's only $5, but I'm gonna go clean it up, just put some flowers inside it. Now I'm making some bread. So I'm just gonna bring you guys along with me because I have never made bread in my life, but I'm really going out of my comfort zone and I'm just trying this recipe and see what works, and yeah, just see if I can make bread. So this is what I'm having for dinner. Really trying to heal my relationship with food, and I'm being very delulu right now. And every time I eat food, I affirm to myself that whenever I eat, I lose weight, also get really lean. Or every time I eat, I get lean. So no matter what food I get or eat, I lose weight because that is my reality and that's what I'm for me right now. Garlic scrolls already. It doesn't have to be burnt wood on the scroll itself. And on a really cute road trip with my boyfriend, we went to Wayong Milk Factory. It's a place that has multiple food stores buy stuff from, so we went to Lucas Chocolate to look and buy some beautiful chocolates. Then we went to the Daily Co and we ordered like 6 donuts, but I only ate one particular day. It was the lemon donut. It was the best flavor. Did some sightseeing. And then we arrived at the cafe. This is what I ate. I had like an iced coffee. Kai had a grilled chicken burger and I had a steak sandwich. And the steak sandwich was delicious. And yeah.